Hello my little honeys, welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow is Love People Day and we're going to celebrate it today here on the channel. We're going to start by painting two of these nails white, and then we're going to do a cute little treatment to those. It's adorable and I think anyone would celebrate this holiday wearing this set. After 2 coats, coming in with some dots. We've got 4 different colors here, and since it's Love People Day, we are representing the rainbow of human colors. We've got a nice deep brown, we've got a nice caramely brown, we've got a tanner color, we've got a pinker color, and I know that we've got way more shades in the human rainbow than that, but these are the 4 I chose, and I think they all work together lovely. And if you're on the Love People website, which I am right now, their mission, I guess you would say, while we do this next nail, is to change the face of our nation with love, and that starts with you. We would like everyone in the community to join America as we celebrate National Love People Day. You do not have to wait. They want you to share love with everyone all week long. So I hope you've been doing that. Now on the rest of the nails, we're going to come in with this pretty caramel color, but we are going to cover it up. I just wanted this as a base because the colors we're going to cover it with really match this color very well, and I just thought it would be a nice seamless way to add the next detail. Now I've got these little water decals that we're going to put on that just say love, and we put that on both of those nails. And now the treatment on these caramel nails is just a little chrome. I just thought chrome would be so pretty, as if we're trying to shine and radiate love. What shines and radiates more than chrome? And these colors are warm and inviting and friendly and juicy and delicious. And so I thought they perfectly represented the vibe that I'm feeling from Love People Day. If you're wondering where I find out about all of these holidays, it's from a website called calendar.com, but the calendar has 2 R's instead of just calendar, it's calendar. So that's where I'm finding all of my holidays. Now on this one, there's 2 colors there. You can clearly see that it's 2 colors, but they look the same. I mean, there's almost no difference between the 2 colors. It's so subtle that I really wish I had picked another one, but I still like it, so I decided to go with it since it's just the 1 nail. So there you go. There you go. And what I'm doing is just protecting that with some base coat, because if you make a mistake on anything you do after and you go to clean it off, you're going to wipe away your chrome, then you're going to have to re-base coat and re-chrome, and that's a whole thing. So nobody wants to do that. And I did go ahead and show you all the chrome nails because this is a short video. And also, what was that noise? I sounded like I came from a Muppet movie. The heck? Anyway, I think I was talking about chrome. You don't want to wipe your chrome away. It's really pretty, and so always protect it with a base coat. So on the chrome nails, we're just going to add a little bit of bling, little blingy bling bling, because if we're loving people, people love bling, and why not add a little bling? I love bling, you love bling, we all love bling. Wow, we got crazy there with the bling. But we are gonna put some nice bling. And guys, this pattern was kind of an accident. I was just laying them all down and I went, oh, it makes little chevrons. Aw, I like it. So I left it. It wasn't on purpose that happened. It just sort of did. And these gems are part of the giveaway for tomorrow, which is tomorrow. And if we don't have any more entries than we do now, it's not really going to be a drawing so much. So I have to say, I thought more people would be excited about a gem giveaway, but I guess I was mistaken about that. Because trust me, I would enter a gem giveaway. But I don't know. I guess not, because a lot of people watched the shorts I did about it and even came and subscribed, but still didn't enter the giveaway. So, but we did get some new friends that joined the channel through the giveaway, so that's super fun. And so I hope everyone who gets a prize is gonna enjoy it, because I think these gems rock. This is the white gems and the King Tut gems that come from the 5 different kinds that are going out to someone next week. We're gonna do the drawing tomorrow, and then next week I'll get over to the post office and send those out to the lucky participants. There you go. There you go. So anyway, on the Love People Day thing, just back to that really fast, they mean everyone. It doesn't matter what your belief system is or whatever you are, whatever you're doing, whatever is going on with you, love. It's all about love, and I love that. So we're going to just do top coat on the 2 white ones, because of course we put those gems into top coat on the others, so we don't need to re-top coat those. And this is the finished set. I think they came out so cute. I would totally wear this set 100%. I hope you would too. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to click my buttons while we're down there, because we are shooting for 500 by the end of the year, and I'm hoping we can smash that. So help me smash that. And thank you so much for coming by today and watching. I really do appreciate you guys. We're gonna see you on Saturday. Bye-bye.